Hi everyone! In this video, we will model the division property of equality. Write and solve the equation modeled by the envelopes and the counters. Here we have a picture with 6 envelopes on the left-hand side, and to save us time, I went ahead and counted that there are 24 counters on the right-hand side. We know that the amount of counters on the left and the amount of counters on the right are equal. We just don't know how many are in each of the envelopes. We can write an equation to match the model. Since I have 6 envelopes, but I don't know how many are in each envelope, I can write 6 and then use a variable to represent each of the envelopes. How about x? And because these are balanced, I will write an equal sign and then the 24 on the right-hand side that we counted earlier. To solve for the x, we need to isolate it. That means find the operation that is happening around the x and do the opposite to negate it. Here I have 6 times x, which means that if I divide by 6, then I can isolate the x. 6 divided by 6 is 1. 1 times x is just x, which isolates it on the left-hand side, and we've accomplished our goal. However, with that equal sign, we must stay balanced. So if I divide the left hand by 6, I must also divide the right hand by 6 to keep it balanced. 24 divided by 6 is 4, and that tells me that each of my envelopes has 4 counters in it. I could also check this by grouping 4 of my counters together, or grouping 4 counters in each of these. And if I end up with 6 groups, then I have accomplished the goal of evenly finding out how many counters are in each envelope. We could also replace the x with a 4 and check this algebraically. 6 times 4 equals 24. Into the equation, 6 times 4 is 24, and 24 does equal 24. So it checks out, and our answer is indeed x equals 4, or each of our unknown envelopes contains 4 counters each.